DuckDuckGo Inc., the company renowned for its staunch privacy-centric search engine, is pushing the envelope yet again with its latest venture. Introducing the Privacy Pro plan, DuckDuckGo aims to bolster your online privacy across multiple fronts, combining a virtual private network, VPN, a personal information removal service, and identity theft restoration all into one comprehensive package. At $10 per month or a discounted $100 annually, this plan is not just affordable, it's currently exclusive to users in the United States, though plans to expand internationally are on the horizon. This timing couldn't be more perfect, especially as Google LLC announces the discontinuation of its VPN service that was bundled with the Google One subscription, citing underuse since its 2020 launch. DuckDuckGo's VPN integrates seamlessly with its privacy-focused browser, introduced for Mac in 2022 and Windows in mid-2023. What's so special about this VPN? It encrypts your internet traffic, effectively masking your data from your internet service provider, ISP, and hiding your IP address from the websites you visit, making it difficult to pinpoint your location. This VPN isn't just an add-on, it's baked right into the DuckDuckGo browser. No need to install a separate VPN app, DuckDuckGo assures, promising a one-click activation for full device coverage across up to 5 devices simultaneously. Moreover, DuckDuckGo's commitment to privacy is evident in their use of the WireGuard protocol for encrypted traffic and the routing of DNS queries through their own resolvers. This ensures that your browsing habits remain your own, without leaving a traceable log that could link back to your online activities. On the information protection front, DuckDuckGo has integrated a public information removal service that actively scans data brokers for your personal information and requests its removal. They've streamlined the process by handling the tedious back-and-forth confirmation emails, making it less of a hassle for you. This technology, powered by Removally, a company DuckDuckGo acquired in 2022, continues to monitor and initiate removal requests from data broker databases, all from the safety of data stored locally on your device. And in a world where identity theft is an ever-present threat, DuckDuckGo offers a restoration service that kicks in should your information be misused. In partnership with Iris powered by Generali, they provide hands-on assistance in freezing credit reports, replacing documents, and even untangling fraudulent activities, with certain expenses reimbursed. To access these robust features, users will need the latest version of DuckDuckGo's browser available on iOS, Android, Windows, and macOS. For more details, interested users can visit the Privacy Pro webpage. It's clear that DuckDuckGo is not just about searching the web anonymously. It's about providing a fortress of privacy in the digital age. As privacy concerns grow and data breaches become more common, services like these aren't just useful, they're essential. Could this be the future of online privacy? Only time will tell. But for now, DuckDuckGo is setting a high bar for what privacy-focused services can offer.